Irathi ngiri ithathatu na magana matano cia CBC nicio irikitie gwakwo. Minister wa githomo George Magoha akiranira ati gukinyiria mweri wa mwambiririo mwaka ukite arutwo othe aria maraingira thukuru-ini cia junior secondary ni magakorwo na handu ha guthomera.
Come 1st of January 2023, our children must prepare to go to school. Whether there is a government of Kamau or Wajakoya or whoever. Is that not so? Yes. So that is the job we are trying to do here.
Akiaria kigomano-ini kia arugamiriri a thukuru cia andu kiumbe kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, Magoha nioritie arugamiriri a thukuru ici aria mari na handu mangiaka irathi gwika mituki, akiendekithia arutwo guthii na mbere guthomera thukuru-ini iria mari nginyagia riria magakorwo makiingira thukuru-ini cia senior secondary.
You can create standalone junior high schools. It makes sense. For example, in Nairobi we usually have over 40,000 students, mainly from your schools, who cannot be placed. So we have to look for places for them outside. And we are saying, in order for us to be helpful to the next government, but it's not even to the government, to our children, can we delay that rush by you holding on to the children for another extra year?
Maya mokete riri anyititemi sekta-ini ya githomo rungu rwa ngwataniro ya reli magomanite guku Nairobi kwaririria nditi iria koretwo ikigumira ukinyaniria wa githomo kuria mendikithitie arutwo aria maraingira thukuru-ini cia junior secondary matigatwarwo thukuru iria iri kuraya na aciari ao.
Kuma miaka 10 nginya miaka 12 na miaka 13 ni kahinda kevata muno thiini wa mwana ucio ni hindi arakuria identity yake kana kwimenya nigetha atuike ni mundu wina akiri independent. Mwana ucio angikorwo ndari hakuhe na muciari kana hakuhe ati andu aria maramutara ni aria marathoma nao tu, hau no tuone ati ciana nyingi ni ciuragira hau.
Ihinda-ini riu ni moritie thirikari kuiganania ugai wa kigina kiria kigayagirwo thukuru niguo gutigirira arutwo othe ni marahota gukinyirwo ni mathomo kuma aria mari thukuru-ini cia thirikari nginyagia aria mari thukuru-ini cia andu kiumbe.
Ona ciana icio cirathie cukuru ici cia low cost private school onao mateithiririo ni tondu nginya riria thirikari igaka macukuru ma kuigana ma ciana ciothe, then hena bata ihinda riri thirikari ithie na mbere na guteithiriria.
Right now government is sending JAB students or CUPS students to private universities and paying capitation for them. So what is so difficult in saying we will also give capitation to primary school children attending these low-cost private schools?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.
We've invited you here to share with you